Who would have ever thought that we can repair damage like this without repainting a car? The art of paintless dent repair has come so far, and we're helping push the boundaries of what's possible by taking students in and showing them that they have the ability to actually produce really high quality results on a consistent and daily basis on very significant and severe types of damage. Like paintless dent repair is not just fixing door dings anymore, it's fixing larger complex dents that we normally would say no to. But we're showing you how to unlock your true potential and do these repairs day to day so that you become undeniable for your quality when it comes to a customer making that decision on who they should use. The types of repairs that we put our students through are not easy, and you get to a breaking point in some cases, but it's getting through those really difficult times in the pursuit of perfection that ultimately leads you to becoming better and challenging yourself, and saying no is just not an option anymore. No, this is definitely not something that you can just come out of training and be Superman. You have to put in the reps. You have to execute day in and day out. And the good news is that once you've been through these repairs, these types of paintless dent repairs, everything else becomes much easier to navigate in your paintless dent repair journey. I'm going to give you the framework. It's up to you to execute on a daily basis in an effort to become that undeniable paintless dent repair technician that you want to be. I'm looking forward to helping you get to where you want to go. Thanks for watching.